Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I am finally doing one of my biggest bucket list things ever. I am going to the Whitsundays on a sailing boat. I'm going on the Atlantic Clipper, which is famous. It is the one to be going on. So yeah, I'm super excited to be doing that. Currently at the marina, just waiting to be picked up, and yeah, super excited to get on the boat, and I just can't wait to take you with me and show you what I get up to. We have basically just been for a quick dip, which you saw. I jumped in on one of the slides and that was super fun. We basically spent most of the time just sailing over to the Whitsundays today, and now we have just been drinking up on the deck, which is actually so nice. And I just thought I'd show you my room. Yeah, I'm in there. I've got getting my legs under this, which there is this very small gap, and I'm a bit worried about that, I can't lie. But apparently the bottom bunk is the coolest, which is perfect because that's what you kind of need, because these ships are very warm. But yeah, there's 3 in a room. I guess that sailing living is always going to be a bit cramped, isn't it? Not sure how long I'm going to go tonight, can't lie. It's the first night, it's 10 PM right now, and I'm so tired. And I've been through 9 of my tinnies, and to be completely honest, I had 2 hours sleep on the coach here, so I'm ready to go to bed. So maybe this is it for tonight, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning everyone, it is currently 9:15 in the morning and I am here on the wonderful Whitehaven Islands, and this is currently my view. This is actually insane. We got woken up at about 6:30 AM this morning just so that we could have a good 3-4 hours here, which is super exciting. And yeah, the first thing we've obviously done is walk up to these lookout points. There's a few, you can see people over there, there's 3 of them, and yeah, this is the spectacular view. It is high tide at the moment, so you can't see all the individual sandbars, but it's so cool. There's 74 islands in the Whitsundays, and I am looking out onto probably the most spectacular view of the entire place. I just can't believe I'm here, and I can't believe this is real, to be completely honest. And I'm super excited for the rest of the day because I think we're going to be heading down to the beach now, maybe going for just a little dip with apparently some stingrays and lemon sharks potentially, but later on we'll be doing snorkeling and scuba diving, and I'm super excited for that, and I can't wait to see what I can see. Yeah, what a wake up call, eh? We have just got back from the Whitsundays beach, which was literally insane. I swam with the stingrays that I saw, which is insane. What an incredible experience. It was a bit cloudy in the water, so you can't really see that much of the stingray, but I did try my best to get as close as I could without it being a bit too dangerous. But what an experience that is. I'm just so incredibly happy and excited, so that's really cool. So yeah, we came back, we had lunch, and now we're just chilling. We're about to go to our next spot, which is going to be the snorkeling and diving spot, and I have decided that I'm going to try scuba diving, and I've never scuba dived? I don't know what the right word is, but I've never done that in my life, and I've been convinced to do it, and I'm really excited for it because I don't know what to expect. I can't lie, I do have actually a little tiny fear of the ocean, especially the deep ocean. So this is going to be a big test for me, really fighting my fears, but I'm actually really excited to do it, and I'm not going to have a chance to do it in Cairns and go to the Great Barrier Reef, so I just thought now's the best chance and my only chance to kind of go and do it and try it. So yeah, very excited. Not sure when exactly I'm going to do all of that, but yeah, can't wait. It's gonna be insane. So guys, this video is slightly different because I'm taking it on my GoPro, and it's probably the first time that anyone's ever vlogged in the sea, but here we are. I have just been scuba diving for my first time ever, my first ever dive, and it was literally so sick. Unfortunately I couldn't take my GoPro, so I don't have any footage from that, but I've just been snorkeling now, so I've got a bit of footage for that. So yeah, honestly this has been insane. I'm literally so happy right now. Just floating about. But I should probably get back on the boat soon because everyone else is leaving. So, water baby at heart already. Here with Ludwig, and we've just got ready for the white party, which is happening on the boat. We've got a nice sunset behind us, everyone's taking pictures, having a nice time. It's going to be a nice night. Are you excited?
I am.
Good morning everybody. It is the final day on the cruise today. The white party last night was a lot of fun. They played lots of games with us. Everyone was dressed up really nice. We had a sunset cruise. It was just really blissful. Really enjoyed it. And now they've woken us up at 6:30 a.m. again. I've literally slept for about 2 hours just because I just could not get sleep. And then I woke up as soon as the engine started. So that's grim. But clearly the only thing to do is just get straight back out there. I've got my stinger suit on because it is stinging season and you have to wear them. So that's just that. And yeah, we're gonna go for a paddleboard, and they've got some cool slides out, so gonna go do that. And then unfortunately we have to head back to port, but that isn't the end because there is an after party tonight, which I do not know how I'm gonna do, but I will do it. So yeah, I'm absolutely dying, if you can't tell by my voice. This is very much going, but yeah, I'm excited but also knackered. So I completely forgot to make an outro for my Whitsundays vlog, oops. But I just wanted to say that it was honestly probably my biggest highlight of Australia. The Whitsundays was insane. The trip was incredible. And I did just want to mention that this trip was kindly gifted to me by True Blue Sailing. They were absolutely wonderful in helping me and booking me onto the Atlantic Clipper, which is totally the boat that you need to be on. It was just so much fun. There was like 50 of us and we just were partying, having so much fun, constantly swimming, doing activities. The crew were amazing, so helpful, so lovely. And yeah, True Blue Sailing have honestly been incredible and really made my experience so nice. So if you're going to book a Whitsundays tour, then make sure you go through them. I've left a link to their Instagram and also their website down below in the description, so make sure you check them out. They were just amazing to work with. The trip itself isn't exactly the cheapest of things, but this is one experience you definitely need to invest in. It was just insane. And also the scuba dive that I did was literally the cheapest scuba dive I think you could actually do in that area, which was amazing. So make sure if you have the option that you do the scuba dive as well. So fun. So all in all, would I recommend the Whitsundays? Hell yes. Make sure this is on your bucket list. It was literally the best thing ever, and even to this day I'm still thinking and dreaming about those white sands and the turquoise blue waters. It was incredible. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.